Dear students, now we'll look at the different resources that are available on the web for predicting the secondary structures in the RNA molecules. As you know, there are several algorithms that exist and that you have looked at: Zucker's algorithm, the NJ algorithm, Martinez algorithm, and etc. So these structures, these algorithms, they work at the primary structure of the RNA, that is the sequence, and they try to extract the possible 2' structures. But you cannot compute these algorithms for predicting the RNA secondary structures every day. So people have created web portals, and you can simply input your sequence and you can have your predicted secondary structure with you. These online tools include the M-fold. The M-fold algorithm is basically an implementation of the Zucker's energy-based algorithms. There are many improvements that have been incorporated into M-fold as time has passed, and it outputs several secondary structures for the RNA that are possible as a result of folding the primary sequence. Moreover, it adds information by looking at their reliability. But beware, this algorithm is extremely complex and therefore very slow in computation. The order of this algorithm is n cubed, the complexity. Hence, the M-fold algorithm can only be used to predict smaller primary sequences and their structures. If you input a very large sequence, more than 8,000 nucleotides, then the speed will be so slow that it will take several days. Hence, you can only use small sequences and predict the secondary structure. Now we'll take a look at the M-fold portal online. So this is how it looks. You can just go to the M-fold web server. You can search it on Google and you can arrive at this web page. This web page helps you to input the primary sequence of the RNA in this area, and then you can compute the RNA secondary structure. The output from this form can be formatted to include several different options, including the error, the tolerance, the energy values, the temperature of the RNA, and so on and so forth. So you can use all of these options by looking at the online website. So the M-fold is a very useful tool that is available free of cost online that implements the Zucker's algorithm, that is the energy-based algorithm. It helps you to fold your RNA into a secondary structure. It helps you to set different parameters for this folding process, and it also lets you to download the secondary structure. More so, each one of the secondary structure that is reported by M-fold also contains the stability or the energy for that structure. So essentially, the structure with the lowest energy that is reported by M-fold will be the most probable secondary structure. But there can be cases where that is not the situation, and therefore you may want to also consider the secondary structures that are reported at rank number 2, number 3, and number 4, and so on and so forth.